Hi kindergartners, it is Miss Tipton and we are back to learn another math lesson. This week we will be learning lesson 17. So we are starting out on page 331. That's 331. And remember, you are in your second math workbook. Okay, so last week we started talking about addition and we learned about plus signs and equal signs and how to add numbers together. So this week we are going to keep practicing our addition and we will be adding numbers within 5. Okay, so starting out on this page, you are going to want something to write with, and then you're also going to want counters or your connecting cubes, something that you can use to count so that we can add them together. Okay, so you can go grab those and then come back when you're ready to push play. So on this page, you see a school bus, and you'll notice in this school bus is a 5 frame. Okay, so this is really just a normal 5 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. It's just in a picture of a school bus. Okay, so this is going to help us understand our story. So the problem we are trying to figure out says that there is 1 girl on the bus and 2 boys on the bus. And we want to know how many kids are on the bus altogether. Okay, so I'm going to use yellow for a girl. So there's 1 girl on the bus. You can do this along with me. So fill in 1 girl. And then there's 2 boys on the bus. So I'm going to use green for the boys. 1, 2. Okay, and then we're going to stop. So there's 1 girl on the bus, 2 boys on the bus. Let's see how many kids are on the bus all together. Ready? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So 1 and 2 more, 1 plus 2 equals 3, right? We could use our fingers to check that. 1 girl, 2 boys, put them together, and we have 3 altogether. Okay, so we are going to write our number sentence down here to match our picture. 1 girl, so you can write the number 1. Here's our plus sign. 1 plus 2 boys. 1 plus 2 equals how many altogether? 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So this is our number sentence to match our picture. Can you try reading this number sentence on your own? 1 plus 2 equals 3. Awesome. Okay, you can take these off. We're going to turn the page and we are going to practice another problem that's similar. So we see another school bus again. And on this problem, we are going to pretend that there are 3 children on the bus. Okay, it doesn't tell us boys or girls. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to use the color blue. 3 children. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there's 3 kids on the bus, and 1 girl gets on the bus. Okay, so we're going to take 1 more and add it on. How many kids are on the bus altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4 kids are on the bus altogether. So how can we write our number sentence down here to match our picture? How many kids did we start out with? 1, 2, 3. We started out with 3 children. And then how many girls came on the bus? Just 1, right? Just 1. 3 plus 1 equals how many kids altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4 kids. So there's 4 kids all together on the bus. And we can always check that with our fingers. 3 kids plus 1 more kid equals 4. Okay? So we always want to make our number sentence to match our picture. Let's practice reading this now. Ready? 3 plus 1 equals 4. Very good job, friends. Okay, we are going to move right along to our next page. Page 333. It looks just like this. Okay, and on this page, up here, this word in this circle says add. Add. ADD says add. That's what we're working on, is adding numbers together, right? We're learning addition, and the word for that is add. We're adding numbers. So we want to show 3 different examples in these boxes of what it can look like to add numbers together, okay? So we are going to draw our pictures pretending that we are adding 1 and 2 more. Okay, there's all different ways that we can show this. We could draw a picture, right? We could draw a yellow box, and we could draw 2 blue boxes. And that could show adding them together, right? We see that there's 3 altogether. We could write a number sentence. We could write 1 plus 2, right? That shows adding. And we could finish our number sentence by writing equals 3. We could add that over here also, equals 3. Or a different way that we could show adding is by saying 1 and 2. 1 and 2 equals 3, right? Because a plus sign is another way to say and. For adding, and is another way to say that. 1 and 2 equals 3. Okay, those are all different ways that we can show that word add. Okay, we have one more page to do today. One of these problems I'm going to do with you, and then the next 2 you get to do on your own. So we are going to start off by looking up here at this red bus. How many kids are in the bus right now? Remember, these circles, we're pretending that those are students on the bus, okay? Those are kids on the bus. So how many kids are on the red bus? 2, right? We have 2 kids on the bus so far. So we're going to fill in this first number in our number sentence with a 2. Okay, 2 kids are on the bus so far. Now, we want to fill in the rest of the spots in our 5 frame, the rest of the spots on the bus. So you can draw those in, or if you'd like, you can use your counters or whatever you're using. Fill in the rest. Okay, you can do it this way. I'm just going to fill mine in with a marker. Okay, so we have 2 yellow and how many blue? 1, 2, 3. So we're going to fill in this next spot with a 3. 2 kids plus 3 more kids equals how many kids altogether? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 2 plus 3 equals 5 altogether. So if we have 2 kids on the bus and 3 more kids come on the bus, we have 5 kids altogether. Okay, I would like for you to practice these by yourself. So you're going to start out by counting how many kids are on the bus so far. 1, 2, 3. So you're going to put your 3 right here. Now fill in these next circles. Okay, and write that number here and see how many you have all together. Okay, I'm going to give you a hint that all of the answers over here, they're all going to be 5 because we're filling up our whole 5 frame. Okay, so all of these will be 5. You are figuring out what 2 numbers you can add together to make 5. Okay, so you finish up doing this and have fun adding your numbers. See you later.